Hello, everybody. My name is Larry Paz. I will be your instructor for this class that we are going to give this winter. Uh, it'll probably be my seventh or eighth class that I have given for the Chesapeake Forum, which is always a blast. It's a good time. We have a wonderful time, and then we enjoy. Put it that way. Okay. This winter we are featuring Greek cooking. You know, and Greek cooking is probably one of my favorites. I've always enjoyed it. It's healthy, which is amazing, because usually I don't enjoy healthy cooking. You know? But it's always a great time. This We're going to start out by a classic Greek salad, which is, vegetables, olives, a delicious vinaigrette, and the best part of a Greek salad is that, everything is individual. The peppers are individual from the onions and so on and so on. It's not a mixed salad. So you can taste everything and everything tastes delicious and it's nice and cold and you couldn't beat that salad. The main course will be the classic moussaka, the Greek moussaka. Okay, and that's made with eggplant, zucchini, onions. It's just a conglomeration of good food. There'll be some chopped meat in there, and it'll be covered with a silky bechamel sauce. Okay, now to finish off, I will teach you how to make a classic Greek baklava. And it's not for the people that are counting calories. I'll tell you right now. If you're counting calories, maybe you put the baklava on the side, bring it home to your partner, and but just you're gonna have a good time. But the best part of all is going to be that at the end of my teaching you how to make these things, we're going to eat them, for lunch. So that's where the fun comes in. So please sign up fast because these classes go fast. So just sign up and come and enjoy. And I'm going to tell you, you're going to have a good time.